Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring an incredible plant that adds flavor and color to our dishes, which is capsicum. Let's uncover its fascinating benefits and uses. Capsicum is an herb, and its fruit is more than just a tasty addition to our meals. It's been used traditionally for various health purposes, particularly for relieving arthritis pain and other conditions when applied to the skin. The magic ingredient in capsicum is capsaicin. This compound is known for its pain-relieving properties, helping to reduce pain and swelling. However, be cautious. Certain forms of capsicum can cause intense pain if they come in contact with sensitive areas, which is why they are used in self-defense pepper sprays. How effective is capsicum? Diabetic neuropathy. Specific creams and patches with capsaicin are approved for this condition. Chronic pain. Topical applications can provide temporary relief. Postherpetic neuralgia. High concentration patches can reduce pain from nerve damage caused by shingles. It's possibly effective for back pain. Applying capsicum or capsaicin to the skin seems to help reduce back pain. Cluster headaches. Applying capsaicin, the active chemical in capsicum, inside the nose can reduce the number and severity of cluster headaches. Non-allergic rhinitis. Applying capsaicin, the active chemical in capsicum, inside the nose can reduce runny nose. The benefits might last for 6 to 9 months. Osteoarthritis. Applying 0.025% capsaicin, the active chemical in capsicum, to the skin can improve symptoms of osteoarthritis. Acute pain. Applying capsaicin, the active chemical in capsicum, to the skin can reduce pain from trauma. Post-surgery nausea and pain. Applying a plaster containing capsicum to specific points on the hand and forearm reduces nausea, vomiting, and the need for painkillers within the first 24 hours after surgery. Is capsicum safe? When consumed in food, it's likely safe. But if you're using it in higher doses or for extended periods, side effects may include stomach irritation, sweating, and a runny nose. Topically, it's generally safe, but can irritate the skin and eyes. Certain groups need to be cautious. Pregnancy. Capsicum is likely safe when applied to the skin during pregnancy. Capsicum is possibly safe when taken by mouth as a medicine during the second half of the second trimester and during the third trimester. Breastfeeding. If you are breastfeeding, using capsicum on your skin is likely safe, but it is possibly unsafe for your baby if you take capsicum by mouth. Skin problems like dermatitis have been reported in breastfed infants when mothers eat foods heavily spiced with capsicum peppers. Children. Applying capsicum to the skin of children under 2 years of age is possibly unsafe. There isn't enough reliable information to know if it is safe for children to use capsicum by mouth as a medicine. Stay on the safe side and stick with the amounts found in foods. Bleeding disorders. While conflicting results exist, capsicum might increase the risk of bleeding in people with bleeding disorders. Damaged skin. Don't use capsicum on damaged or broken skin. High blood pressure. Taking capsicum or eating a large amount of chili peppers might cause a spike in blood pressure. In theory, this might worsen the condition for people who already have high blood pressure. Surgery. Capsicum might increase bleeding during and after surgery. Stop using capsicum at least 2 weeks before a scheduled surgery. Capsicum can interact with several medications, such as aspirin, ciprofloxacin, anti-diabetes drugs, anticoagulant, theophylline, and medications for high blood pressure. Capsicum can be taken as extracts, powders, or lozenges, and can be applied topically through creams or gels. Always consult with a healthcare provider for the best options tailored to your needs. Capsicum is more than just a spicy ingredient. It holds potential benefits for pain relief and various health conditions. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more educational content, and share your favorite capsicum recipes in the comments below. See you next time!